Pinulong, number 2. Again, Manaloto fires. Drop for number 21. Pagaling Hood. That's the last again for Hood. Bullet pass, Murray. Good for Tayo. Good for Tayo. Goodbye. Second time. First possession. There's Gama. Nataling Hagen, number 5. Peria to number 33. Hold. Pass to number 24. Pull up for 2. The bucket is good by number 24. That is a John April from Nataling Hagen. Manolo. That is a steal by Hold all the way to the cup, and the bucket is good. Para dito kay Hold for the team of RJ Heroes. One Sailors is pointing out their cap on the attack. There's that time by the answer can. 13. Pataling Hood, number 24, Pataling Hood. That is an emergency pass and Hold pan to shoot. And that is a bucket 3. Para dito kay Hold for the downtown 3. Manaloto. Last again. Side bucket for the 3-point shot. Good. RJ. Pataling Hood. Peria, back to Hold, hands to shoot. Hold looking for his teammate, pass. That is a foul. Team Heaters, the second is perfect. Stanley pass to number 28, Manaloto. That is a good defense by Hold. Here's the RJ. Pataling Hood, front pass, never that time. Sailale. That is a bucket is good. Ready dribble J, Lancer Gan. Santa Cruz looking for his teammates. Pass to Lancer Gan. Tap on the shot line. Lancer Gan stop and pop. Good by number 4, Lancer Gan. That is a first bucket from the Triple J here in the first quarter. Perea, Hold, on the drive, pass to Perea. Shot like a 10 seconds. Hold back to number 24. Hold, 5 to shoot. Bullet is still by Hold. That is a Alexander Hold. Last again. Manaloto fires. 3-point shot. Brought to you by the Gigas Kapampangan Intercommercial Season 1. Pataling Hood. Peria, Hold, back to Peria. Sweet pass. To the 3-point shot. For the number 5, Peria. Good defense applied by the RJs. Lancer Gan Nugget. Here's from number 26. That is a good defense applied by Lancer. Pull up Nugget. Another offensive rebound. Mayo for 2 in a using the glass by Jared Mayo. Very bucket is good. Manaloto on the drive. Delaying on the move. Jersey number 10. The bucket is good. Rigo and Miley. Yes, sir. Complete. Granada. What a shot and what a look pass. Yes, number 8, Jack 1 Manaloto. Number 28, pull up for 2, and the bucket is good by Manaloto. Corner. Cunyada, Nugget. Here we go. Manaloto on the penetrating Manaloto, and the left-handed bucket good. Mayo penetrating Nugget. The second wala pa rin. Kanina bola. Here's the Lancer Gan. Drop one Miley. Drive. And the hook shot is good. As I saw the shot like number. Drop pass. Ball fake. Number 22 speed soccer will look it. Pull up and no. Rebound. Here we go. Triple J. Manaloto na naman with the Piñata, drop pass on number 27, no good that time. Ito na naman. Reyes on the timeout. And hits 6 to go. By Jersey Wade. Down to 2-point lead. Reyes. Garduque. Number 69, Garduque por tatangin na po. Pero napaganda pa. Further out of J and the bucket is good. Second, Smiley. Drops it off, Rickard. Kaninang bola, here we go. Dalanan, Reyes on the penetrate, and the hell you pass, and the back to Reyes. Look at that line, and the third try is good. Second dimension, Miley, and the bucket is good by Miley. 25 seconds on the game clock. That is a bucket of the bonus. 3 seconds remaining. The basket is good and for the passer by the RJ. First step on the second quarter. Number 21, 3 for 3. Yeah! 3 points. Time, here we go. Mr. Saplan, number 7, at the front, and the drop pass. Bucket is good by De La Cruz. Garduque, number 27, back to Garduque. Speed circle move by Garduque for 2. What is speed circle move? Para maiwasan yung depensa. De La Cruz, long 2, that is a long 2 by De La Cruz. Dinulong for 3. No good that time. Here we go, Sampan. Running attack to the gun. Drop to Lancer can. Wide open for 3. 3-point shot. Brought to you by the Ticos Kapampangan. Here's got the energy. Reyes. Play up for 2. No good. Lancer can. Sampan. And the touchdown by Sampan. Delano, first Delano of the ball game. Here in quarter number 2. Garduque, Dinulong, pass to Reyes, sweet pass. Dinulong, pull up for 2. Bucket is good. Manaloto, on the running attack. Negative that time by Manaloto. Reyes on the running. Dinulong, ball fake, Ramos on Reyes. Pass to Dinulong from the right corner. Back to 2 by Dinulong. Sabran, attack out and the floater time by number 7. Garduque, pass to Holt from 3. No good by Holt. Another offensive rebound.
Saan nila na mga sarili?
Okay mga sir ha, paki-off po ang cellphone sir, paki-off po yung mga flash ng inyo. That is a bucket ng mga lot. Pakaligod, back to hold. Peria, back to hold for 3. Now get that time. Sammy the glass. Ball control pass to Sapang. Number 7, Sapang. Stop and floater time. Negative by Sapang. Stand to the left. That is a foul. First try from the free throw by Stanley is good. Second on Stanley. Yes, it's good. 2 out of 2 from the free throw line by Perea. Drop on number 24. Pataling hook. Negative by putback is good by Mayo. What a shot. What a lead of Mayo. That's again. Looking for Manaloto. Pass to number 27 to Manaloto. Number 28 for 3. Bang! 3 points by number 28 Manaloto. Mayo. Controlling by Mayo. Hold. Pass to Perea. Shot like a 10 seconds. Perea with a drop pass on Mario, and the bucket is good. Basket is good. Controlling the boy right on the logo. Shot clock at 15 seconds. Kalas Stanley, pull-up is good by Stanley Kalas. Looking for his teammates. That is a steal, Stanley. And Mr. number 11, Katakutan. That is a steal. Katakutan. Rodriguez. Pass the Lancer Gang for three. 3 points. Bring it down 3. By Lancer Gang. Pataling Hood. Back to hold. Mayo. Good defense of line. Dalawang nakabantay. Nugget by Mayo. Pero si Mayo pa rin nakakuha. And the drop on Perea. Wala by Perea. That is a foul on number Stanley Kalas. And the hand in the air. And the pocket is Perea. May dama dito ng bola. Number 5. Pass to hold. Perea. Pataling Hood. Bullet is good. By Pataling Hood. That's again. Manaloto on the penetrate. Manaloto. One pass na pasa yung pasa. Here we go. Mayo on the running attack. Mayo steal by Katakutan. And number 11 Katakutan say goodbye. That is a foul. We have 3. 2 out of 2 by Katakutan. Or Katakutan rather. Here we go. Perea. That ball to the seat. And the bucket is good by Hook. Riley. Number 17, fastest standing and last number 1. That is a foul. That is a good call to our referee. First try is Brenda. 36 seconds. 30. Perea. Pass to hold. Pass to Perea. Mayo. Swing pass na naman. And that is a foul. First try. Second. Yes, sir. Number 11, Katakutan pa rin. Speed side mode, steal by Holt. Here we go. 3 versus 3 situation. And Holt, attack mode. Rebound para dito kay number 11, Katakutan. Number 17, attack mode. Number 11. Backback sa rebound. Katakutan. One side murder. Put back. No! Out on the rebound. Bullet pass. Mali. Good for tayo. Here's Kamayo. Goodbye. Miley, sweet pass. Miley, cross pass. Katakutan for 3. Nag-record Katakutan. Another offensive rebound by Mayo. Sarado na yung ating shot clock. 30 on the game clock. Mayo, pass to Pataling Hood. 7 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Hook for 3. Controlling the ball. Pass to Pagkaduge. Sweet pass. Reyes for 3. Worked by Reyes. Offensive rebound. And the bucket is good. Para dito kay Dunyada. Ramones para Lancer Can. What a shot by number 4 Lancer Can. There's the players, number 21. Drop on hold. Hold pa rin ang laman ng bola. Garduye. Reyes. 8 to shoot. Bola na kanino. Here's Scott Katakutan. Sorgan. Back to Katakutan. And the basket is good by Katakutan. Hold. Jardine. Surveying the defense. Real J. Swing pass on Mayo. Shot clock at 9 seconds. Mayo. Murdered by Mayo. Lancer can. Miley on the run. Miley for the left-handed good. Dito. Number 4. Nakuha dito ni Mayo. Here we go. Here's Sandra Duque. On the running attack. To Mayo. Basket is good by Mayo. Pero si Holt. Papulit-ulit ang bola. Holt on the attack. Rolling basket is good by Holt. 61 to 57. Apat na kalamangan from the RJ. Manaloto kontra kay Perea. That is a foul. First is good. And second is good. Mayo. Pass to Mayo once again. Number 13, Mayo. Ball fake. Hold for 2. Now, katakutan na naman. Ang nakaspuring yung paka dito na katakutan ah. Katakutan. Pass to Lancer. Good win. Lancer can. Winning point 3. Control the ball. Pass to Pataling Road. Pataling Road. Here at the Sunday action of our inter-commercial Season 1 Tigas Kapampangan. Here's Kamkan. Looking for Beck kay Manaloto. Receive the ball. Ganda. Pasa. Big and the pass. And the bucket is good. Pass to Pataling. Swing pass on Gardugue. 8 on the shot line. Dalan. Pataling hurled. The 40 passer made in the basket. 13 on the shot line by Manaloto. Nakawala sa depensa. Manaloto nervous. And the put back again that time. May katakutan. Hindi yung pakikita ng katakutan. Gardugue. Foul tayo. Number 4. Lancer down the field. Here they go. Katakutan. Really smackdown. Basket is good by Katakutan. 6-3. Pataling Hood. Gardugue. Pataling Hood dito. Swing pass na ang ginagawa dito ng team of RJ. 8 on the shot line. Ball fake. Pederoso for 2. By Pederoso. Bringas on the running. Number 8 on the run. No good. Put back by Manaloto. No good not done. Chance to take the lead by RJ. Holt for 3. By Holt for 3. Change figure na tayo. 68-66. Dalawang puntos na ang kalamangan from the team of RJ Leaders. Kaibigan sa fly. Tinumog ng dalawang player. Itong si number 8, tapos si Lancer down to the rest stop at Manaloto for 2. Bucket is good by Manaloto. 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining. Drop pass, long 2. That is a long 2. Para dito kay number 2. 70-60. 2-point lead. Pataling Hood. Perfectly on the shot line. Holt looking for his teammates. Mayo on the running. Mayo using his strength with a bucket 2 by Mayo. Kailangan sa Real. Lancer can. Nakikipag-1 on 1 dito. Isolation mode by Lancer can. Attack no. Lancer no. And Manaloto. Offensive rebound. Basket of Manaloto. 24. Number 22. 40 pass. bucket. 10 lang na naman tayo. Lancer, Manaloto. Sweet pass for three. Dela Cruz knocks down the 3-point shot. Bio. Number 2. Banduque. Time to shoot. Drop pass. Dalaman. Really, bucket is good. And attacking the defense by Dalaman. Lancer ka, Manaloto. Brindes, Neged. Ito na naman ang team offer. RJ, here's Perea. Back to the corner, 3-point shot. Oh, that is a lucky bounce and a bucket 3 by Banduque. Manaloto, sing pass to number 11. Number 2 for 3. Neged. Against the rebound, Perea. Here's Banduque. Waiting for his teammates. Agad nakadepensa. Itong team of Triple J number 22. Cunyada. Bucket is good by Cunyada. Manaloto. Anahan dito ang bola. Lancer man. Back to Manaloto. Sweet pass. Brindes number 8. Drop on number 28. Manaloto. There they back. Manaloto. Here we go. Final on the running attack. That is a foul on number 2. Holding foul. Perea may hawak na bola. Pass to Mayo. Kanilang bola. Humbang maganda pa. Para dito kay number 2. That is a Dalaman. Iniwang kalamangan. Lancer yan. On the running attack. Lancer yan. Well done by Lancer. Corner Perea. For 3. Perea no. Rebound by the Triple J. Here's Cam Manaloto. Number 28 Manaloto. That is a using the ball. The pass. Bucket is good. Timeout. Timeout. With your Lancer run. That is a Lancer is good. The first can. Yes, sir. So that is it. Panay sa sakong babang yung kalamangan. Here's Gama. Number 22. From Cunyada. With a speed second road. And the bucket is good by Cunyada. Lancer can. Lancer. May tangan dito ang bola. 13 to shoot. Lancer. Drop pass. Sweet pass. Manaloto. And the bucket by Manaloto. Number 20. Mayo. 10 seconds to shoot. Mayo looking for his teammates. Perea. 7 seconds to shoot. Manaloto. Lancer all the way. That is a foul. First is good by second. Second position for 24. Patalihog. 10 seconds to shoot. Patalihog. Pedroso. Swing na pass of Mayo. 5 seconds to shoot. Mayo in the hand. Rebound. Here we go. Here's down number 27. 3 seconds. And the drop pass. Bucket is good. Ball from the running. Pass to Pedroso. On the breakaway, Pedroso down. That's again. Here we go. Number 4 Lancer. Hanging in the air. And the pan. And the bucket. Fairness at 30. Down to lead by 2 by the RJ. 10 seconds to shoot. Hold for the goalway and the 3. Now, to the blue team of one. Here we go. Number 20, Manaloto. Kaya ang floor. Sila na sa natin Pakiram ko rin, may basket tayo. Itong RJ Gators. Shot lang at 18 seconds. Drop pass, Manaloto at the bucket.
What's up?
Kapila tayo sa ating laban, 87 on. Ang-aning na dead lang na tayo. If I'm not mistaken, Quipon John at mistaken. Quipon John at deadlock Brooklyn, 90-87. Balik ang kalabangan from the RJ. 3 minutes and 40. Katakutan, Manaloto swing pass on Khan. Shot clock down to 10 seconds. Khan looking for Katakutan for the 3. Never back Katakutan. That is a foul. Personal foul. Review. 88 to 90. The second is limited. 2 minutes and 24 remaining time. Good ball. Balik lang sa basa. Here we go. Began. Oh! Manaloto to the rest back. Ilalagin muna. Here's Mayo on the running. Mayo. Foul is a foul on Mayo. Foul. Here's down number 28, Manaloto, Katakutan. That is a bad pass. That is a last pass. Itong si Katakutan. Sub. 18 on the shot line. That is a foul on the floor. On Kunyana. Bucket. Sub position. Papalitan muna. Manaloto. Looking for his teammates. Wala yung bola. Ito na si Mr. Mayo. Perrella. Carmel Triple J dahil balik na naman sa ating 88 to 94. Timeouts remaining from the RJ. Pwede on the shot line. Lapper. That is a foul on number 5. Illegal. Bucket is good. Paganda. Number 22. That is a full shot. Paganda. The second is stupid by Paganda. That is 6-89. Back to 7-point lead. Manaloto. Here we go. Mario and smackdown time. What a last break situation. Kalma lang idol ha, kalma lang idol. Kalma lang natin idol, kalma lang. Huwag na natin sabihin yung ating laban idol. Sige na idol. Okay, both teams shake hands. Congratulations. He is the RJ Gators. Our best player of the ball game, John Resti.